guys, I had a request about the our VW Alice about headlight adjustments. So I'm not sure the exact issue that you have as far as needing a headlight adjustment, but some people do need to do it. So let's take a look if we can figure that out. Pop the hood there. Let's see if we could figure out this headlight adjustment. Because if you raise the vehicle, that's one example. I've raised my my Tacoma before, and that puts at a weird angle that could blind people, so you want to readjust it. So that could be one reason. It could be that it came from the factory misaligned as well, and you just don't want to take it into the factory. So I believe it's this. So it looks like you can put, it has like a screw here. It's not really going to be easy by hand. It looks like it uses a little Allen wrench size in here, and then you just twist it. I think someone was telling me, or I read, that counterclockwise is up and clockwise is down. What's kind of cool is that they actually made a little mark here. Here's another adjuster right here. I think that one you don't really want to touch. That looks pretty fragile. I know there's two settings I was reading, a horizontal and a vertical, and I read that this is what this looks like. The horizontal is set from the factory, and there was actually a recall. Hi, Jeremiah. There was actually a recall on the 18s or 19s, something like that, 100 something thousand ones, that they wanted to basically, it was adjustable. The factory didn't fix it to make it not adjustable. So they ended up making it not adjustable after the fact on this recall. So we'll give it a try when it gets dark. Use the garage door when it's closed. So we'll be back when it's dark. Hey, it's nighttime, so it's easier for me to see. This is a T6 hex key or Allen wrench key. You can see that the light's even now. I'm gonna stick it right here. Alright, I'm voicing over here because it was a little noisy with the engine running. So it's T6 Allen key, Allen wrench, and if you go counterclockwise, lefty, it raises the headlight. So you can see it here. It might not be too noticeable, but in front of me I could tell it was going up. Now I'm going clockwise to even it back out, putting it back where it was. So again, counterclockwise up, clockwise down. Counterclockwise, lefty is up, righty is down. That's it. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.